Look at this.
Have a look at this.
This is beautiful. It's so big. Well, hello.
Oh, look who's here. Hello.
Hello, beautiful peoples.
How are you?
Right back at you guys. How are you?
We're doing very well, thank you. Well, what do you think?
It's huge. It's amazing.
Massive.
It's massive. The ceiling heights are incredible.
Incredible.
Shayna Blaze said, off the charts, incredible.
This is a kitchen that says love me or hate me, but don't ignore me.
Oh, yes.
Don't you think?
Very
It's
much.
A bold design statement.
Shayna agrees, but she's sure somebody is going to love it.
So you walk in here and you see that terrazzo with the pink cabinetry and the window all together, and you go, I didn't know I wanted this, but I have to have it right now.
That's the heart of the home. That's where all the action happens. It's all about catering for your hosts and food, and we just want to create a really cool, entertaining hub.
Where's the fridge, guys? I can't see the fridge anywhere.
So Kinsman obviously provided us and did a collaboration with Gaggenau.
Right.
So right behind you, Harry, if you push the door.
Oh, here.
That's it.
Right there.
Give it a push.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Here we go.
Gaga now.
How did you guys all get a Gaggenau fridge? This
We
is
never did.
How
unbelievable.
good is that?
And the Bosch ovens too.
We did a double oven, but they also are a steam oven as well.
Fantastic. Great.
The wall ovens are actually quite practical too, because in the past we've had ovens down below, but you know, wall ovens, it's just so good to be at that height, or that bench space height, you know. So
We love that you like the first half, but you still have to check out the back.
All right, we're taking you guys with us.
Now this is a pantry. Have a look at this.
you see that forever long bench space in the pantry also. That's the white shimmer 20mm pencil round.
And then you've got this beautiful fluted glass. I'm obsessed with these arches.
So that one is called the Archie Prime Oak Wood Mat. That's a new product by Kinsman.
So I reckon you've done a great job, guys.
You've done an incredible job.
Well done, Kingsman. Well done.
So while you're in the house, we'd love for you to also check out our master bedroom. It's a little bit different. Don't freak out.
All right, let's go. Oh, look at the
Well, there you go.
skylight. Look at this beautiful bed. Guys, we're in your beautiful master bedroom. And I actually really love it. I think it's beautiful. I love the bed. But let's talk about the most important thing in any bedroom, the wardrobes. And I can see you've actually put space in for a TV. So this is really cool how you've got the cutout in here.
You can see the natural oak ravine on the exterior, and then on the interior we used the white satin. And then we also wanted to still use some of those black accents. So we went for the volcanic black kickboard at the bottom.
Well, I think you guys have done a brilliant job, and I think we're best letting you have the rest of your day so we can explore the rest of your house and the others.
Awesome.
Guys,
Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys.
We appreciate it. Thank you very
Good
much.
luck for auction.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mwah.